Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let's continue our discussion of push down automata, right? So till now we said that we have, hello Alia and Rasya, concentrate on the board. Come on the copies and look at the board. Now we have what is, we said that we have the regular grammar, and the regular grammar produces Shabasha.
Language.
And it is being accepted by finite automaton, and which is of three types: deterministic finite automata, जोर से बोलो, and epsilon. But now we have what is called as the context free. Yes, it generates context free, and it is accepted by
Push down automata.
push down. It is again, the push down automata is deterministic PDA and non-deterministic PDA. You can have the deterministic PDA and you can have the non-deterministic PDA. What is PDA? Push down automata. So push down automata is nothing, it is the finite machine. What are the finite automata you have, or the finite machine you have, or finite automaton you have, plus the stack. And this stack is infinite memory. We need to understand that the stack is the infinite memory. So we have added some infinite memory to the finite automaton to solve some which are non-regular languages, to accept non-regular languages, to have something which is, you know, which is complex, little bit complex, which needs more memory. Like we said, we have a raised power n, b raised power n, these kind of languages. Your deterministic automata can accept one input, not the two inputs, and then check are they same or not. Similarly, like we have palindrome, we said. Okay, when I check whether you come from this side, you come from this side, they are same. So this complex grammar will not be accepted by the finite automata. We need for that the push down automata where we have the stack. Now, if we see the formal definition, we see it yesterday. If we say what? Formal, write down the definition of push down automata. So formal definition जो इसकी है that the push down automata is consists of 7 tuples. जो आपका deterministic finite state machine थी, okay, that was having 5 tuples. Now PDA consists of 7 tuples, okay, and this PDA जो हमारे पास है, first we have the queue, the 5 जो 5 tuples वहाँ पे जो 5 पढ़े थे हमने वो same ही है, additional अपना stack वाला है, ठीक है? The first we have Q. Okay? Then what we had? The sigma. That is same here. What we had? No. I'm saying the previous one. Transition function. We have that's again the transition function same here. Initial state. But other than the initial state, we also have here the gamma, which is the sigma is the input alphabet, the gamma is the stack symbol. It's what? Stack. What is the stack symbol? What is on your stack? All the symbols which has to be on a stack, that consists of the gamma. Gamma consists of that. And then we have the initial starting state. We have the, and with the starting state, we also have the Z naught here. This is the addition. This was the addition, and this is also the addition. Rest is the F, the final state. So what is Q? Finite set of. What is our sigma? Finite set of input symbols. Right? It's the same written. What is delta here? transition, but it's a little different here. You will see it. What is the gamma here? Finite set of stack symbols. Okay, this is the finite set of, this is finite set of input symbols. This is finite set of stack symbols. What is Q naught? Start state. Start or initial state. What is Z naught? Start stack element or symbol. What is F? Set of final states. Because final states can be one or many. We know that. We have discussed that, right? Final state can be one or many. Got it? Udara aapne? Now we will see this transition function is a little different. And we do the one example today, and we will draw one state diagram of the push down automaton. Right? This is what I do here. Now, can I go next slide? Now this transition function is little different here. Okay? The transition function is little different. So it has the state, some state P. You are on some state, maybe I say Q. You are on some state Q. You take some input A, but also you have to see what is on the stack, maybe the X. What is Q? Some state. What is A? Input. Symbol, some input. What is X? What is on the top of stack. Here the transition goes like this. We have we have some state A, and we go to the X, and then we take some input A, and the top of the stack is X. We go to some other state, which is P, for example, and there is some maybe Y, which we have to push onto the stack. Which we have to push onto the stack. This is the X which was on the stack, and this is the Y which we have to push on the stack. Let us see about it. What I'm talking about. You understand it because if we have seen the DFA, that you are on a state some Q1 and you have some input A, you go to some state Q2. This was your DFA. This was your. But in the PDA, push down automaton, you have some state Q1, you have some input A, okay, which you want to go to the Q2, but with the A, you have to say what is the pop element, what is the, I will make it little bigger, okay, so that you will, this is the only thing you need to remember, and rest is easy. Input A वही है, okay? But you have to see what is on the top of the stack, and you want to pop that. Because while going from this state to this state, you pop something from stack and you push something from stack. Sometimes you don't pop, you only push. Sometimes you don't push, you only pop. Right? So that means we have two things here. We have push element, or it could be the empty. It could be epsilon. That means you are not popping anything. Sorry, on the left side is pop, not push. Left side is what is on a stack that you have to push, pop, that you have to. So it's a pop element. It could be also the epsilon. That means it is what? Empty. All the time these things happening. There's a lot of distraction here. Huh? There's a lot of distraction. See, when we want to go from one state to other state, right? We want to go from one state to other state. What happens is, what will happen? When you go from one state to other, we take some input. In DFA, you take some input, you go from one state to other. In non-deterministic, you can have multiple inputs and you can go to multiple states. On a single input, you can go to multiple states. That's the non-determinism, right? But technically speaking, you go from one state to other state by taking some input. Now you go to multiple states or you go to the same state, but you take some input. But in PDA, in addition to the input, you have to see what is on the stack that is to be popped. And that popped element has to be replaced and you have to push something. You have to, getting? So accordingly you go to the next step. With the example, this will be clear. What I am saying, this will be clear by the example. Just concentrate. Do we have questions? Okay, what I am saying is that you have one state, you go to the other state. This is Q0, you go to the Q1. You have to take input anyways, any input, whatever the A, it belongs to the sigma. A belongs to
Sigma.
whatever the input arguments you have, whatever that is, you take that input. अब आपके पास जो भी input है वो आप लोगे. लेकिन in addition to that, you have to pop some element, or it could be sometimes epsilon. That means you are not popping anything, and you have to replace that popped element by some push element, by some. But sometimes also this is epsilon. Sometimes also this is getting. So that means when you go from state Q0 to Q1, you are not only taking the input, you are also popping something and you are pushing something. And sometimes you are skipping. You are neither pushing, you are neither. Does it make sense? Let us do an example of A raised power and B raised power. And if you have A raised power n and B raised power n. Sometimes it could be same as 0 raised power n and 1 raised power n. Or we say A raised power n and B raised power n. In this case, my sigma is 0, 1. In this case, my sigma is A, B. Input alphabet is AB or input alphabet is 0. It's one and the same thing. Right? Sometimes question comes 0, 1, sometimes question comes AB. So it is same. Right? Okay, let's take the AB constraint. So we have to, you got this in mind? Got the everybody in mind? Okay. Now, we have a language which generates what? A raised power n, B raised power n. Where AB belongs to where? To the sigma. Okay? A, B belongs to sigma. Right? Right? A, B belongs to what? Sigma. And n will be any many, whatever you like. But B is to be followed by the A. B is to be followed by the. So how we generate the state diagram of this example? So we have to design the push down automata. We have to design what?
Push down.
We have to design push down automata and we have to design the state diagram, like we did for the DFA. The same, right? Okay. But last time I told you that, for example, we have because we have to match how many A's, that much of B's. A raised power n and B raised power n means अगर A 2 है तो B भी 2 होंगे. If n is 2, A is 2, B भी 2 है. अगर A 3 है, B भी 3 है. If A are 4, B is also 4, right? So we have to see that. How we do that? We put firstly on a stack Z0. Okay? If the A comes, push it. If the A comes,
Push it.
push. So when the A input is coming, what are we doing? We are pushing. We are not popping. So what are we popping at that time? When we are pushing A, what are we popping? Nothing. We are popping epsilon. We are popping. So pop में उसमें epsilon आएगा ना? ठीक है? Again A comes. What do you do? Push. Say for example A, B comes. Will this my language be accepted?
Yes.
This string will be accepted. Why? Because जितने A है उतने ही B है. अगर A 2 है, B भी 2 है. So अगर n यहाँ पे 2 है, n कितना यहाँ पे? So this is A raised power 2, B raised power 2. So A 2, this should be accepted. So A comes, push. So when I am pushing, what I am popping? Nothing. So epsilon. A comes, push. So I am pushing, what I am popping? Nothing. Right? B comes, pop. B comes what? When the B comes, pop this. When I am popping, what I am pushing? Epsilon. So in my transition function, I am having A or B, right? and then I have to say what is to be popped and what is to be pushed. So right, sometimes it will be epsilon, sometimes this could be epsilon. When the A was coming, I was pushing, but pop is epsilon. Right? When the B comes, I am doing what?
Popping A.
I am pop. मुझे equal match करना है ना? Getting what's happening? So B comes, I pop. What I am pushing at that time? इसका मसला क्या है? The power issues. We have to talk about लियाकत. This guy should be on this ना UPS. Because the problem is given the power happens and comes. एक तो ये खराब हो जाएगा और ये वो हमने सोलर में लगाया था ना. We have to switch back into this. सोलर इसमें लगाना है. किसमें? क्योंकि ये बंद हो रहा है. We have to keep this guy on the solar. You getting the point I'm saying? So keep this thing in mind. So दूसरा B आया. अब दूसरा B आएगा. So it will pop what? It will pop A. हो गया ना? तो आपकी string खत्म है. Now you will do what? You will have what input you can have? Nothing, no input. So that is epsilon. So you will push, you will pop. What will be left out in the stack? Z0. So when the Z0 is there, that means we are done. That means we have accepting state. Now keep this thing in mind and design with me the state diagram. Design it with what?
State diagram.
Ready? So what will be the first state? We have to what should be the first element we push onto the stack? Z0. Right? So tell me about the transition function. Think about it. Write on the copy. हमें Z0 डालना है. क्या हमें कुछ पुश करना है? पुश Z0 करना है. पॉप करना है कुछ? इनपुट कुछ है? तो बनाओ इसकी ट्रांसफर फंक्शन. क्योंकि इनपुट जब मैंने ट्रांजिशन कहा, you have input function, you have input symbol, then you have the pop and push, right? Depending upon the drawing on the copy, and see if I am doing right. Everybody will tell me, concentrate and tell me, right? You have to concentrate, you can understand. This is simple. So I have to design A raised power n, B raised power n, right? The language. Now what I am saying is, I am on a state Q0 because this is my stack. What I have to push on my stack? So that means I will go from this to say Q1, right? So what is the input? What is the input? Z0 is not input. Z0 is what you have to push. Because I told you when you go from one state to other state, there is some input symbol, right? Then there is what you pop and what you push, right? Z0 जो आपको डालना है stack में, that is in this guy. So Z0 has to be here, right? What do you mean in case of pop? What are you popping? Epsilon. What are you putting? What is the input? Again epsilon, right? So now you can design. It's very simple. You can design. So initially, when I started, everybody be with me and speak. Anybody not interested, get out of the class. So what will be the input? Epsilon. Epsilon is the input, right? So what do you want to pop? Nothing is to be popped right now. Again epsilon. What is to be pushing? You go to the state Q1. So Z0 is being pushing. So how do you read this? This is the epsilon move. So this is your epsilon NFA and you convert it into PV. Right? So that means the input is nothing. Input is
Nothing.
you are popping nothing and you are pushing Z0. Does it make sense now? Simple? Now, after this, because we have A raised power n, B raised power n, we will take which input we will take? A. We will take what? We will take A. So, what is A? Input. So, इसके हिसाब से मुझे बताओ. And I will do it continuously in a loop. because anyway A comes, no problem. So A is my input, comma. So this is the input. This time A is input. What should we do with the A? Should we push it or we should pop it?
Push.
A should be pushed. A should be push. इधर होता है, इधर होता है. Z यहाँ पे होता है ना, राइट साइड. सो एरो के राइट में मैं क्या लिखूंगा? इधर पुश करना है ना A push करना है. What is to be popped at that time? So what will be here?
Epsilon.
So when the A comes, you pop nothing, you push A. Does it make sense? When the A comes, when the A input comes, you pop nothing, you push A. A is going here. Say for example you have A, B, B. This is the correct language, we can accept it because दो A है, दो B. ये A आया. This A came. What we have done? It stays here. A came, pop, nothing, push A. A is pushed. दूसरा A आया. It stays here. Because same है ना? A input. What is this? Pop,
Nothing.
push.
A.
Everybody with me? Now which one comes?
B.
Now B comes. What should we do with the B?
Pop A.
So when the B comes,
B comes.
it goes to the next state Q2. Now tell me about this scenario. What should I do? What should I do? I should pop or I should push?
Pop.
I should pop.
A.
What should we push it firstly? जब B आया, what should I push? Nothing. We don't have to push. So what will be here?
Epsilon.
What is to be popped?
A.
A has to be popped at that time. जब B आया, इस A को pop करो, हो गया ना pop? The stack will be this much only, right? So now after this, any many times this B can come. Okay? What shall I do after that if the B comes? What should I pop?
A.
Anyway, then B comes, A should be popped. And what should we push it?
Epsilon.
So another B comes, so it stays down here. B comes, you pop the A, you pop the A, and you push nothing. You push. सिंपल है ना, ये इनपुट है, पहला वाला इनपुट है, ये वाला पॉप है, ये वाला पुश है. सिंपल है ना? ओके. नाउ आफ्टर दैट इनपुट स्ट्रिंग खत्म हो गई. व्हाट इज माय इनपुट नाउ? Epsilon. My input is now what? I mean nothing, empty. My input is epsilon, nothing. I have no input now. Input is finished. What should be the output if it is accepting state? Z0 should be the pop I can push. Z0 should be popped or pushed. Z0 is already there, na? Pop it. Z0 is already there. Z0 is. If epsilon at the end, if after doing all of this, I have no input, okay, and I am popping Z0 and I am pushing nothing, okay, then you're gonna accept it. Then you gotta accept it. Does it make sense? What? If any many A's comes, it will stay here. It will push them. It will what? It will push it. I have written wrong in this thing. When the A comes, what should I do? When the A comes, what should I do? I should pop A or push A. Push is on this side, na? And pop is nothing. Pop is, आपने उल्टा ही लिखा है इसमें. When the B comes, B इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा ना? B में pop हो जाएगा A and push nothing. And push. When the epsilon comes, the empty input last में आएगा. उसमें pop करो, Z0 होना चाहिए. अगर हो रहा है, अगर ये हो रहा है, और you are pushing nothing but you are popping Z0. जबकि लास्ट में जब आपके इनपुट स्ट्रिंग खत्म हो गई, यानी कि A's and B's आपने पकड़े, जितने सारे पकड़े, जब आप कुछ नहीं बचा, आपका epsilon है, अगर Z0 आ रहा है वहां से, तो accept. अगर उधर कुछ है, रिजल्ट नॉट नहीं मिला, उधर कुछ और मिला, तो उसका मतलब है कि गड़बड़ है, एज एंड बीज मैच नहीं कर रहे. ठीक है ना? You getting the point I'm saying? Okay. Give 5 minutes to this. I will ask you. You can stop it.